Hello, welcome to our next stage of math. The next thing we'll be learning is picture graphs. Okay, in order to make a picture graph, you have to have data. Down at the bottom, I've written a couple sentences to show you the data that I collected. I asked my neighbors what their favorite sport is. I gave them 3 choices: basketball, football, or soccer. I asked them to pick one, and here's the data. Here's what they said. I asked my neighbors what their favorite sports are. 5 people like basketball, 4 like football, and 6 like soccer. Now, I want to represent this data in a picture graph. A picture graph makes it easy to see really quickly how many people like basketball, how many like football, and how many like soccer. It also helps us see what the most favorite was, maybe what the least favorite was, and other information like that. So let's get started. Today I want you to use emojis. Use emojis as your pictures for your picture graph. First, I'm going to represent basketball. I had 5 people in my neighborhood say that they liked basketball. So I need to go find the basketball emoji. There it is right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people liked it. I do not want to put my emojis like this. If the word basketball was over on the left side, I could do that. But when basketball's on the bottom, we want to stack our pictures so it's easy to tell how high up they go. I'll show you. Okay, by doing that, I can stack them all up and see just how many people like basketball. 5. Okay, next, I had 4 neighbors who liked football. Let's go find our football. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to stack them up tall so we can compare them to the basketballs. There we go. Okay, see how easy it is to tell that more people like basketball than football? I can tell because that line is a lot longer. It's taller. Okay, last, how many people like soccer? 6 people like soccer. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's stack them so it's easy to compare. Whoops. There we go. All right. Wow, when they're all the same distance apart, all of these spaces in between are the same distance apart, and they all start right at the very same spot, it's easy to see that soccer was the most favorite because it's the tallest. Then basketball, then football. Football is the shortest, it's the least favorite sport out of all my neighbors. Okay, you're going to make this graph as well as a graph about favorite candy. Here are the emojis I suggest. And favorite color. Here are the emojis I suggest. You don't have to use these ones, but you can. Then at the end, I want you to circle your favorites. These are my favorites. Circle the ones that you like so that tomorrow's picture graphs can have 2nd grade central data. Last, finish these 4 problems. And don't forget to show us your work, especially on this one. We want to know how you solved this. Expanded form, base 10 blocks, number line. How did you do it? Good luck. We can't wait to see your assignment.